Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, I want to talk about a few reasons beginners get stuck or even give up when trying to solve computer problems. Simply put, they just guess. They click around, they try random fixes, they change multiple things at once. They just hope something works. And sometimes, by pure luck, something does work. But the problem with guessing is that it usually creates more confusion than clarity. Because when you troubleshoot by guessing, a few bad things can happen. You'll waste time. You can lose track of what you've changed. You make the problem even harder to understand, and you often end up less confident, not more confident. And that's because guessing is not a process, it's reacting. Real troubleshooting starts with slowing down and again asking a few questions. What is the actual symptom? What changed before this happened? What seems most likely? And what's the smartest thing to check first? And that's a very different mindset. It means you stop trying random fixes just because the problem feels urgent. Instead, you start looking for clues. And again, that's one of the biggest mindset shifts in computer repair. Good troubleshooters are not usually the people who know every answer instantly. They're usually the people who stay calm, define the problem better, and move in a more logical order. That's what makes them effective. And that's what also makes them look more professional because a calm, structured approach almost always beats a frantic one. So as you move through the course, I want you to keep another idea in mind. The goal is not to guess faster. The goal is to think better, which will ultimately lead to a faster repair. And that's how you build real troubleshooting skills.